All right, final match of the day. Raptors and Kirti Warriors mixed doubles. Kirti Warriors need to win this in order to tie it up and maybe check their luck out in game breaker. However, if Raptors win, they win the battle. And
What's your prediction?
Kirti wouldn't start. I really want this to go to Dream Breaker. It's quite interesting right from the start. Even the first match itself was very close, and Kirti sealed it. If not for that, the score would have been 4-1. So Kirti are fighting it out, fighting it out the best way. Let's see. Bhaskar should do all the heavy lifting here in order to get this win.
Abhishek and Siri is playing for the Bhaskar and Siri is playing for the first time, and we know that Siam and Aparna already played games. So I feel that there is a experience from the pair from the Siam.
But there can be surprises. Okay, one love. Oh, I think there's a small misunderstanding here, and so Bhaskar is to receive the serve, whereas Siri was taking it. So that's the loss of point for Kirti Warriors, adding to their misfortunes. Raptors leading 2-0. Siam smartly targeting Siri more, not giving a single ball to Bhaskar.
That's a strategy around the world, not here. Nice match from the Bhaskar. Kirti Warriors to serve. Oh,
That
Aparna
hands battle ended up with an unforced error from Aparna.
could not put it that in.
Aparna returning Bhaskar's drive elegantly. Tough to return, but I think Aparna doing it really well.
Bhaskar putting that volley outside. Oh,
Not at this time, but unfortunately an unforced error.
again trying for the lines and going outside. I see so much experience from the Siam. coming into the play.
Sam looks very experienced in terms of playing mixed doubles.
Covering almost the entire court.
And Aparna is as well smartly adapting to his game. That's to be applauded as well.
Because at last winning only matter what happening in the court doesn't. It's
Two seven. After that loss of point with wrong receive, Siri checking with referees if she's standing in the right position. Oh, Bhaskar! Bhaskar! That's brilliant court coverage from Bhaskar.
that's an awesome reach. Using his height and all things. Wow.
That smash. That smash from Aparna. She was ready. It looks like she's ready for it. 8-3. Similar scoreline to last match. Bhaskar nearly truly needs to do something here. This would be fourth straight loss for Kirti Warriors.
I am almost controlling the game every time. Just giving only the 25% of the court to the Aparna only. He's almost covering the 75% of the court.
That's after court change. Unforced error from Aparna. Serve 2 for the Raptors.
It's very important for the KT Warriors to win this game to stay alive for the game breaker.
Beautiful deep shot from Bhaskar. Hey, it's almost at Siam's feet. So yeah, I probably wished it was out. Beautiful drive at the right moment from Bhaskar. Trying to make a Kirti Warriors trying to make a comeback here. Oh, I think gods are in favor of Kirti as well. Getting those points.
Powerful drives from the.
One more. I think Bhaskar is back. Even in singles match, when he was leading, he was slightly lazier. Maybe in the start he was playing lazy, but started hitting his bullets, targeting at Aparna. But this time Aparna unable to put them in.
Raptors took.
Kirti Warriors almost there with their first serve, 2 points away.
Raptors strategically took the timeout.
Bhaskar looked unstoppable. So Raptors taking a quick timeout.
After the court change, I see the tactics change from the Bhaskar to hit the drives very strong into the Aparna. So in that way, he already got some continuous point hitting the same drives to the Aparna. I hope the same strategy will be repeated same from this end.
It's Bhaskar drives which would save the game, but an unfortunate serve error from Bhaskar.
This is why players take the strategic timeout.
Bhaskar hitting back-to-back drives.
Aparna is ready for the task, putting every ball on the court of the.
Alright, 8-6. Aparna serve.
That's a nice drop from the Siam. Bhaskar want to take it in the air, but able to only put the ball in the net. Nice shot from the Siam.
I use it, right? I think very good pattern. Very
Able to take the momentum.
A beautiful smash from Bhaskar. One more break required. So that he'll have some leverage to take some risks with 5 points to seal. Unfortunate for Kirti Warriors.
It's a nice speed up from the Siam. Siri did not expect it at all, that one, and it touched the net. And
Nice play from Siri there.
that was nice defense from the Siri actually.
Beautiful smash. Aparna really looking good with the contact and those smashes.
That's good.
7-11.
Good play from the Siri and Bhaskar.
Bhaskar eagerly trying for those to cover up the lead.
One-handed drive could not reach the other coach.
Slightly late call from the referee. Ball called out. Aparna serving. So I am putting lot of pressure on Siri.
Whenever Siam getting the dead dink right, is always passing up to the Siri and not giving any chance to her to react also. So that's part of strategy they are following from the first point.
7-2.
12-7, much needed break for Kirti Warriors.
That's a good play from both the teams. Defense and also aggression also. Wow. Putting the ball on the series feet, it's very hard to take that and defend that ball. Aparna doing very good at the net. Seven. What a drop. What a drop. That was so precisely into the kitchen, on the line of the kitchen. It's very hard to take on volley and need to take a step back, but Bhaskar only hit it into the net. As soon as we say there is a good shot, the bad shot come into the place.
The commentator's curse.
Raptors 1 point away to win the match. Crowd is pumped up. Oh,
One more chance for Kirti.
not this time. You should wait. The crowd is eagerly waiting for that point, but they should wait little longer.
Slightly out.
I'm being so patient at the net, not giving any chance to Siri or Bhaskar.
Oh, Siri goes for the line, but misses it.
Match point.
Two
to
match
the-
points for the Raptors.
Crowd is again pumped up. That's it.
That's Raptors. That's end of day 4 for you. Raptors stealing it as the host with all the crowd celebrating, and it's a beautiful night with all and celebrations. It's crackers time for Raptors now. And all right, signing off. This is Sandeep and Santosh from the commentary cockpit. See you guys on day 5.
Good night.